Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Screener widget in your Edge Desktop app. The Screener widget is one place you can go to look for different stocks based on specific information you would like to know. It is also a good place to look up stocks based on volatility. If you do not currently have Edge Desktop installed on your computer, please see the link in the description below to activate the Edge platform and download it. To get started, simply open Edge Desktop and log in with your Questrade account. Once you're logged in, you will notice a row of icons at the top of the screen. Let's go ahead and click the Screener icon. When you first open the widget, a disclaimer will pop up. The disclaimer indicates that the information displayed in the widget is for educational purposes only. Questrade offers no investment, tax, or legal advice, and nothing in this material should be construed as such. Once you have read the disclaimer, check the box here to state that you have read and understand the statement above. You will be unable to use the widget until you do so. Once the box is checked, click Accept to access the widget. You will notice the widget opens to a certain size and position on the screen. Each widget can be resized and moved around to your own preference. By default, the widget will display the most volatile stocks screen. You can add additional screens by clicking the plus symbol at the top of the widget and selecting from the dropdown. Selecting New Custom Screen will open up an additional window that will allow you to type in a custom name. Custom Screens is where you can switch between your custom screens. And Preset Screens give you a list of preset screens to choose from. You can select what symbol category you would like to view here. Toggle between stocks and options, and specify how you'd like the results of the screen to be ranked or sorted. You can also choose the size of the list you want to see. After making custom adjustments, click Apply, and the information displayed in the columns below will be updated. Filter allows you to refine your search with some more advanced options. Clicking the plus icon beside filters will expand the filters window. Here, you can make in-depth adjustments to the information displayed in the widget. This includes the markets you'd like to screen from. You can select all markets or pick the individual exchanges from the list to the right, and a section to refine all aspects of the stocks you would like to view. When you've made your adjustments, click Apply, or click Restore to return them to their default settings. By default, the columns below include information like the stock symbol, description, last traded price, change in dollar amount and percentage, day price rank, and more. There is a drop-down in the top right corner of the screen with some additional options to customize the window, as well as some of the ones we already covered. Settings allows you to customize the appearance of what you see inside the window. General lets you customize the appearance of the grid and the amount of cell padding. You can see a preview of your changes in the window below. Font lets you customize the style and size of the widget's font. Color lets you customize the color of various elements in the widget. You can set your changes to the default or restore them to their original default settings. When you are finished, click OK. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade Edge Desktop, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.